I went to get the handle for more stability, and I put boots on because my feet were cold. This is very hot. Very, very hot. So what I am thinking, oh God, very hot. I don't know if I said that, but yeah, freaking hot. Hotness up the wazoo. Oh, I am sorry. Oh. Just rinse it off a little, cool that down so I can show you. The end is definitely, if I were to take a long time, I could get through it pretty fairly easy. Because, I mean, it's going through easy. It's just thick metal. I mean, if I took a smaller one, I could probably get through it no problem. Maybe if I tried to go through these, but people wouldn't have access to that. They just have access to these, not these things. Or the back. I was thinking about going to the back, but then I thought, but how would they get to the back if they're trying to break into your house? So let's keep going. Here, let's go through up here instead of through there. That's doing a fairly decent amount of damage to it. So, let's try that again. Let's keep going. Let's just completely dominate this thing. Let's try that. It's getting hot again. Put a little more damage into it, but it's standing up pretty good. Pretty hot again. Let me show you. This is what it's done to it now. You can no longer see the keyhole. So it is burning my fingers, so I'm moving them around. barely see where the key would go in by now. And I've got another one of these. If you guys want to suggest something like take a hammer to it or just complete destruction, I could probably find a way to put it in a fire maybe. It may take a while to get the fire part, but it's actually not as hot as I would expect in here. So let's continue. Let's get a better view. There, it's focused. This is definitely not going to be a quick process. So really, someone in the neighborhood or wherever you live might tell, oh, that person's putting a drill to that person's door. They might stop them by the time they get through. This goes through concrete better than yeah, these things go through concrete better than it does this lock. So I'm gonna say that tiny dent, this person's probably not going to get through. Just gonna, oh, that one's a hot one. This is some piece of junk I found on the ground. Let's go through this and mess this thing up.